Hey, what's up everybody? Can Ethereum flip Bitcoin's market cap? That is the question asked by a ton of people, and we're going to look at the charts with Ethereum against Bitcoin and Ethereum against USD. Ethereum's blockchain has been blowing up with the NFTs, and gas is insane right now, literally at 500 GWEI, and it's almost impossible to use unless you have some Ethereum to kind of throw away at gas. So if you watched our last couple videos on Ethereum, we've been trading and watching Ethereum very closely for the last few years. And right now it's on an uptrend. So our last video on Ethereum was going over the kind of market structure, us taking our buy, taking our sell. I made about 2 Bitcoins profit, about 100,000 plus, and I'm looking to do something similar, at least 100K minimum, 2 Bitcoins minimum on this trade as well. So we've been in a downtrend. I'm not going to go too much in the prior technical analysis because we've done that a few times. So prior downtrend moving into an uptrend now. This blue vertical line would be the day January 1st of this year. And actually, if you bought Ethereum with your Bitcoin, so this is a Bitcoin trade, one of the easier or less risk trades you can take using your Bitcoin, trading into an altcoin, which is Ethereum. My goal is to take my Bitcoin and to double it up. So I want to take 1 Bitcoin or 10 Bitcoin and come out with 100%, which is 2 Bitcoins or 10 Bitcoins. Whatever I want to put in, I want to get double. And let's see if we'll flip the market cap. So this was the prior all-time high. If we can break 0.15, we'd be flipping Bitcoin's market cap. We'd be doubling up from here. And then I think this would take number 1 on the leaderboard in terms of market cap. So at the current price we're at right now, it would be about 100% going to prior all-time highs. And most coins, especially these blockchains, these L1 protocols that are just doing awesome, like Sol, Avalanche, they have broken all-time highs and they've continued. So why can't Ethereum break its all-time high? Especially, like I said, with all the NFTs, all of the new L2s like being built on Ethereum. I can see Ethereum still pushing, and Ethereum is very extreme in its moves and in both directions, to the upside and to the downside. So if you, like I said, if you're invested in Ethereum, the 1st of January, you'd be up 200% on your Bitcoin. So, 10 Bitcoins to 30. We took the trade around here. We sold around here, and we were looking for confirmation. This is continuation move right here, because the coin won't just go, up and up and up. It needs to pull back. It pulled back, and now it broke these lower lows and lower highs, and now we're broke out of this, and it looks like we're going to continue out of here. So I was waiting for some sort of pullback, and we actually got it. So I actually put in some Bitcoin into Ethereum at this price. So at 0.72, and now it's 0.74. It's driving up pretty quickly. You can see this weekly candle looking pretty bullish. So, and when you see bullish engulfing candles like this, it's not uncommon for it to be tested, and like half of it to be tested. So I am going to show you guys another reason why I'm taking this trade. And you can see here the weekly moving averages, the 4 and 9, I find are really great to get you into. Well, I mean, moving averages are trend indicators, lagging trend indicators, and they help you to determine where the trend is going, also used for move support and resistance. So you can see the cross here, which would have been a golden cross, which is a buy, and this would have been the sell. Kind of essentially the trade I took, bought around here, sold around here. We got so this was the death cross. Now we got a golden cross again. There's kind of like a whipsaw. You got in, and we're getting back out. I missed the breakout right here, the breakout of this trend line and the cross, the golden cross. So I'm getting in a little bit late. I didn't want to FOMO in, and I almost did yesterday, and now we got this awesome little pullback, and I actually got in. I got in about 10% of my Bitcoin, and I probably will get in more if we keep coming down. This move will get invalidated if this low, You can look at this low. If this gets broken, you can jump out of the trade, or the low right here, and then you can reassess and get back into it. So this is against the ETH BTC chart. We are still in this uptrend. If I turn on the MSR on the daily, yeah, we're still long from here. This would have actually been a nice buy, and the next area to buy would be the 0.55 if we get that low. So this would be a potential buy area right here. If it continues down, I would double up right here. If I don't exit here, I would double up my position here. And then I have the previous higher high right here at about 0.43. That would be very extreme if it dips all the way down there, but we would actually still be holding the uptrend on the weekly. So we are looking at areas that would invalidate this whole move. I wouldn't want this area to break, and I wouldn't want this low to break. But aside from that, I still think Ethereum has some gas to go. Let's look at the USD chart. So the USD chart, if we're looking on the daily, Ethereum is still holding the uptrend. You can see the last time we tested the 200 EMAs right here. Buy, awesome, nice buy. Nice buy, and we're not even testing the 200 EMA right now, which is about $2,500. So we're still actually in a nice uptrend. Whenever we get to the clouds up here, it's always nice to take profit. That's like a huge take profit, and from here, that was a large move. It was about 126%. So people are taking profits, hedging. And the market was pretty overheated with a ton of coins and NFTs just exploding. You can see right here as well on the RSI, we are actually like downtrending while creating higher highs. We actually broke down here, but I'm looking for this downtrend essentially to be broken and for Ethereum to make like this huge move to the upside. You can see here previously, if I go on the weekly, how high the RSI, has traded before. We're kind of there right now on the weekly actually. So you can see how high it's traded before, and it can sit in the extremes for a while, in the overbought for a while. It doesn't mean you need to sell it, but you do want to, get weary, and you just kind of are on your toes. You know what I mean? So aside from that, the daily's looking bullish. The 4 hours probably still holding. Yeah, the 4 hours still a buy. That was like literally a buy. I'm long Bitcoin. I'm long Ethereum, and you can see the 200 EMA was a buy. Ethereum was a buy. We go back to the ETH BTC chart. So I took my entry right here. I am looking to exit here for depending on how it goes from this price point right here, but that would be 100%. So I would double up my Bitcoin, and if we actually break this, we would be flipping Bitcoin. So it's very, very, very possible. Also, I'm watching this RSI break on the daily because Bitcoin was going through something really similar. If I pull up the daily of Bitcoin right here, we broke that RSI downtrend and we exploded. So let me show you that on the daily right here. Similar downtrend from 2021. You can see right here, 2021. Downtrend. We broke out right here, and I said I was gonna long with a huge size as soon as we break that out. And look at how, look at what type of move we got from that. So Ethereum seeing something pretty similar. You know what I mean? From 2021, we're just going down, making lower highs on this RSI right here. So wherever we break up, I'm expecting a large move on Ethereum if we can break up and hold that. So that's pretty much it for my video. Watch the previous video if you want to go into the technicals of Ethereum and Bitcoin, why we took our longs, why we're taking our longs right now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of opportunities, giveaways, and we're traveling to a ton of events when we're giving out some tickets and things like that. So if you guys have any comments or want to see any specific coin, post them below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.